Hi, I'm Arken, and this here is Eddie. In our channel, we're gonna be baking, sports outside, activities outside, magnet fishing,
interpretive dance,
gaming, and
I think we've lost some viewers. Tell me when you're ready.
we're gonna be baking peanut butter cookies. The ingredients we need are baking powder, oatmeal, flour, peanut butter, vanilla extract, sugar, salt, and oil. And we are ready to begin. Today we have a special guest, Amma.
Hello everyone. I'm just here to help. I'm going to hand Arken a 1 cup measuring spoon, 1 cup of peanut butter in here.
Good job.
Get yourself a whole cup full and then slot it in here. That should probably be good right there, Arken.
Like this.
Like that. Do you know what we forgot to do? Turn on the oven, 350 degrees. And there, it's at 350. So the next ingredient is 1 cup of sugar.
Okay.
I know this says cats, but it's not. 1 cup of sugar.
Let's dump it all in. That's a lot of sugar. Let's mix. Want to see something?
Well, that explains all that strength in
We
the
need to
spoon.
add one of these.
1 teaspoon of,
Baking
yes.
soda.
Do you know there's a difference between the baking powder and the baking soda? So you try to get a level spoon.
Let's mix. Yeah. We're gonna have to put some parchment paper on the baking sheet so the cookies don't stick. Crumple this up, uncrumple, lie it down. Now I just need to use my hands. Size.
Okay. Rock sized.
That one's gonna be. So these cookies, I can make any shape I want. I can make a flat one. I can make, let's try to make rectangle. I wonder if that's gonna turn out as a square cookie. How about candy? Kind of a strange idea on the table though. That would probably ruin them. Okay, we're all finished. Like this. Imagine how much we can put on this tray if we put that much on that tray. So, hope we make some good cookies. This is fun. You can use this recipe at any time you want to. Question why we need a fork. It says to bake in the oven for 10 to 13 minutes. So let's start. That's gonna be hot.
This is where a grown-up can help.
Yes.
Timer,
Timer.
13. Start. Okay.
What color do you think we should do? Any mixes of colors? Tell us in the comments below. So, I think we should do green icing. It looks kind of blue right now. We finished our icing. Let's go decorate the cookies. Now we gotta start decorating. Let's do an eye. The eyes are ready for opening. Oh, that was a bit of a spill.
What does Bob Ross call those, Arken?
Bob Ross.
Calls them happy accidents.
Happy accidents. What?
Because mistakes are so final.